Hello, my friends. It is time for a new club stamp set, and I'm extra happy about this one. Now, I know I say that a lot, and I say, oh, this is my favorite, or oh, that's my favorite, but this one is one of those. It's like the wheelbarrow set. You're gonna use this all the time. All the time. It is one of those that I just go, yes, home run. This month and next month, I went on both of them. I told Kenny, because I always like to tell him like where I think, because we have to like pick number, like give an idea of numbers and everything. And I always say, you know what, this one's a home run. So this one and next month are double home runs. Is that a thing? Kenny, is double home run a thing? That's not even a thing, but I just made it up. It's a double home run. So this month and next month, you have to be in the club. Otherwise, you're just going to miss out, and they're fantastic. Are you ready? I'm like, this one's really a home run. Like, really. Okay. It is called, are you ready? Jar2stamp. Now, I'm really excited about this one because it's a nice, good sized jar. And a lot of times I would find that when I would go out and look for a jar, they were too small or too big or too whatever. Now, this one is really fun because not only is it the jar, it's also the lid. And it's always hard to find lids. Now, club members, if you're in the stamp club, you're getting this. If you're in the Die Hard club, you're getting this and this. Now let's look at the stamp set. You fill me with happiness. You're a keeper. Hope your day is filled with love and laughter. Hello there. And there's buttons, there's a heart, there's gumdrops, there's two little bees, there's a firefly, and there's a bone, because you know me. We love our doggies, don't we? And we had to have that on there. Now, for the dies, lots of yummies here. So we have the shadow die here. We have the inside die here. We have the lid. We have the shadow die for the lid. We have the word love in a heart. We have the little shadows for the other little guys. And we have the bone, which is very exciting. Now, there's lots of dies here. I mean, I can't even tell. Let's count how many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 die pieces, which is fantastic because you have everything you need to die cut this out. Now, club members, of course, yours are already on their way to you. I know the first of the month is a holiday, but Ken gets up extra early. He goes to bed early, so he didn't even celebrate New Year's. And he gets up, actually, either that or maybe he just stayed up all night. Could have been that too. But he gets up extra early. I think he sets his alarm for 2 a.m. or 1 a.m. I don't even remember. And he gets up and he mails these out because even though the mail's not moving, some of the post offices are working. So he wants to get them out to you ASAP. Now, Stamp Club members, you're getting the stamp set. Die Hard members, you're getting the stamp set and the dies that match. Now, if you're in the Stamp Club and you're like, oh, I really want those dies, you need to upgrade to the Die Hard Club. You go into your account online, upgrade to the Die Hard Club, and then starting with next month, you'll start getting the dies with it. So the dies are available on our website 20 days later, which you don't want to wait 3 weeks, do you? You want to get them all at the same time. Now, are you ready for the samples? Because the samples are going to knock your socks off. Put your seatbelts on. Are you ready? And this one's my absolute favorite, so I'm going to show you that one last. Okay, here's a cute one. And it says, you're a keeper, and it says, thanks. And look at the cute little buttons. Open it up. So happy we are friends. Isn't that adorable? Now, just a heads up, you're going to see a couple sneak peeks in here as well of other products that we are releasing. Just a heads up, okay? Here's another one. You have a special place in my heart, and the heart jar is a shadow box. Isn't that gorgeous? And you can open that up. Love you. And there's the cute little love die that comes in the Die Hard kit. Isn't that fun? Okay. Oh, this one is beautiful. Talk about simple yet elegant at the same time. Thanks. Open it up. Cute little flowers and button die cuts. Those button dies are so fun. Here's another one. Look at that. A jar full of hearts. Isn't that beautiful? And also the cute little love right there. So adorable. Oh, here's a cute one. You're a keeper, and let's keep some bees. I love it. Open it up. Oh, you fill me with happiness. Isn't that fun? And look at the cute little jar. Isn't that adorable? I love the little jar lid. Here's another one. Hello, with fireflies on the inside. So many options. This one has the bones in it, so the little doggy treats. Hello there with the little cookie. You see Cookie back there sleeping? So you fill me with happiness. Oh, here's a fun one. Oh, look at this. Hello. Open it up, you're a keeper. And look at, you can almost see through it. It's like vellum in there. I love that. Now for my favorite one. Who got my favorite one? Catherine did my favorite one this month. You fill me with happiness. And look at those gumdrops. Don't you just want to eat those gumdrops? I don't even like gumdrops and I want to eat those gumdrops. So much fun. Now, if I went too fast for you, don't worry. All of these are on our website. You can go check out the online gallery. We have thousands and thousands and thousands of ideas. Every stamp set has an idea gallery. You click on the stamp set and go look at all the fun samples. Club members, of course, yours are already on their way to you. And of course, you get a club discount of 15% anytime you order on our website. Now, those of you that are not in the club, don't worry, we can fix that. Get signed up on the club, click the little join the club tab, get in on this stamp set because you're not going to want to miss it. It is a fantastic one. And I cannot wait to show you the other things that we have that are going to match this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.